Pagod na. Pagod na. Kung kakilala niyo po yung mga bumili ng ticket bukas, pakikwento na lang yun. Hindi ko na ito mauulit. Pagod na po, kaninam. Pudot. Darsan.
Ay, meron pa bukas.
Buwan. Apo. Pagod ako na. Ay, sorry. I love you too so much! Did you like it? Did you guys like it? Don't you love it? Tita Cory, yun yung dahilan kung ba't po ko umabsent ng 1 week. 3 times ko pong pinanood yung Lady Gaga sa Singapore para aralin niya. Just for this night. Ayan. Thank you so much, Lady Gaga, for your inspiration, for the love that you have been sending out to all of us, most especially to all the members of the LGBTQIA+ community. Si Lady Gaga yung perfect example that you are born to be a masterpiece and a mess at the same time. You can be a masterpiece and a mess at the same time. All of us have the right to be beautiful and also be chaotic. Hindi nyo naiintindihan. Diba? We can be beautiful and at the same time be chaotic. We can be spectacular and amazing at the same time messy. It's okay. Because no one is born to be perfect. That's not possible. Perfection is just an expectation, but it's not reality. Yes! So thank you very much, Lady Gaga, for the inspiration. And I would like to say thank you very much to all the Madlang people. Sincerely, from the bottom of my heart, thank you very much, Madlang people, because you are accepting me to be myself. You don't always agree with everything that I say and I do. But you still accept and love me. With all my strengths and my weaknesses, you choose to still love me. So I am very thankful to all of you for allowing me to be myself, for not changing me to be who you want me to be. You just allow me to be myself. You celebrate with me. You call me out when you feel like I'm overboard, and it's okay. We have a wonderful relationship, and that's why I would like to share with you another Lady Gaga song. This song is very significant to me because this song is about love. A love that chooses to stay despite the imperfections. The love that chooses to cling and hold and stay even if not everything is still sweet and perfect and fun. Pag pinapakinggan ko to, naiisip ko yung relationship namin ni Ayo. Ito yung song talaga na nagsasabi na kahit hindi araw-araw masaya, okay lang yun. Pero kahit hindi, sa mga araw na hindi tayo masyadong masaya, pinipili pa rin natin ang isa't isa. Kahit feeling natin nasa dulo na tayo, pinipili natin ang isa't isa. Laging si Ayo ang naisip ko, pero nung huli kong sinound trip ko, naisip ko, ay, ganito din yung relationship ko with ABS-CBN. When all the not so beautiful things happen to the company, to ABS-CBN, parang ang hirap, di ba? Ito yung test ng gaano kalalim ang pagmamahal natin sa isa't isa. Di ba? Na-prove at na-test yung love natin, how deep our love for each other is. Parang sa ngayon, choosing to still be in ABS costs me a lot of hurts, pains, and sacrifices. But those are very meaningful hurts and pains and sacrifices. Kaya, to ABS-CBN, even we feel like we are both on the edge of our glory, I promise to hold on to you. Kahit naman ako sa edad kong to, tsaka sa tagal na ng showtime, feeling parang pawalay na kami. Parang kailan pa ba to? Parang pawala na. Parang feeling ko everyday, nasa edge na ako ng glory ko. Pero God is so good na parang, di pa, just wake up, just show up, just do it. At kaya sumadlang people, kahit nasa edge na ako ng glory ko, maraming salamat dahil pinaparamdam niyo sa akin na you still choose to hold on to me and stay with me on the edge of my glory. So this song is for all of you. Pero antayin niyo lang ako, magbibihis lang ako.